Hey, awesome folks, how's it going? I love the chatter that's already going on in the chat. Hey, Alberto.
Hey, Ruby, how you doing? I'm excited to this fourth day on the Global Hack Week API Week. This will be my first experience in this Global Hack Week. I know you've been busy yesterday.
Yes, and I'm so excited to be doing it with you, Alberto, because again, I have been doing Twitter and GHW after a long time, like after almost 6, 7 months. And yeah, Mary's been kind enough to put me on enough for me to, fill my heart. And I love the excitement in the chat already about it being day 4. Hey, Emily, welcome to the stream. Emily is one of my hackers. She's in most of my streams.
Yeah, I know her too, and I love the excitement too. This is a big crowd here on our comment section, and it's just sharing the excitement here, right? So that's a very amazing way to start the day for me.
Yep. Awesome, folks. So I love how so many of the hackers in the chat I'm recognizing. Hi, Shri. Hi, Mr. Klusov. Hi, Karthiyar. One of you all complained in the chat earlier how it's been a long day. I was about to complain how it was such a short day because there were only 3 streams, unlike most GHW days. But yeah, let's go for it. You ready for the people, Alberto?
Yeah, sure. Let's start.
Awesome. Great. So let's go. Welcome to day 4, folks, officially with the PPT. We are so happy to be here. Let's go with some introductions. Hey folks, I'm Rizvi. I've been a coach at Major League Hacking for quite some time now. And as you all know, I like to call myself a maker more than anything else. And a fun fact about me is I am a glass artist. I've been obsessing over glass and I've explored glass in almost 4 different forms now. And let's see what other comments saying. That's a really good point, Emily. Thank you so much for pointing it out. We shall take a note of this. Alberto, you want to go next?
Yeah, sure. And definitely you should share with us some of your glass art here on stream. I
Oh,
don't know if you have
absolutely.
something on your hand.
I'm
Oh,
actually
that's
working on another piece
amazing.
right now. Yeah, I'm experimenting with mirrors right now. Oh,
Very
so,
beautiful. Pretty beautiful. I
so
was
with
imagining
that,
something else, like more like, I don't know, like bottles or jars. I don't know.
oh,
I don't know.
I do that too. I've got bottles right here, hanging here, but these are like stained glass pieces. So
Okay.
yeah, fun stuff.
Pretty beautiful. Thank you so much for sharing. And well, my name is Alberto. I'm your Major League hacking coach at Mexico. I'm passionate about coffee. So if you want to hang out and talk about coffee sometime, I'm free. I'm a photograph enthusiast and I love to talk about geek stuff. So that's it about me.
Oh, I think I'm gonna then pester you about photography, Alberto, because as much as I love making art, I'm so bad at taking pictures of it. I can't post for life.
Yeah, sure. We can work it out.
I think me and Alberto will take a content creation stream in the next GHW. And since it's data week anyway, I guess next month we can just sit down and create, Instagram data.
Exactly. And we can make a stream about it.
Yeah, exactly. You know what? Me and John, I remember me and John, we were just having fun on today in GHW like this, and we spoke about having a chess stream. And actually, in the next GHW, we ended up having a stream in which all of us were just playing chess.
That's really cool. So let's see how it was yesterday. And for me, again, I was repeating. This is my first day at the Global Hack Week, but let's see for Redbay itself how yesterday was.
Oh, yesterday was amazing, Alberto. And I can tell you for sure because I ran the stream. You used APIs for art, folks, and you all were amazing at it. Look at the amazing stuff they created. And these were like actual like moving images and things that they created. And in the end, we also used an API to call cat images. And it was so cute. And I'm sad none of the hackers shared any images of their cat APIs, but it was really cool.
That looks really cool. And I see some comments here. Yeah, that was what I was going to say. Some comments here, for example, about this. The For me yesterday and today it's IST, so I'm guessing that's the same day. Yeah, when we are in the global hacker community, time zones can be difficult to manage, right? So we are parting for the idea that for some of us it's the same day, and some others it's different days, and that's really cool. And I really love the idea of sharing that. Thank you. Did someone summon me? I see a comment here. I'm thinking yes.
Yeah, it is so amazing, Alberto. There was a point because I was using some of my older code, it didn't work anymore, and the hackers solved it. The hackers solved it with a completely new way using the reference sheet, and I think that's just so cool.
Great. Another thing that you did yesterday or today in another
Well,
time.
yes, it is today for me. It was a few hours ago for me, but still.
Exactly. It's that you create diary servers. And how was that? Well, let's see some pictures that we have. Well, joining our friends Dimmer, we create ourselves servers, and that's amazing. That's just mind blowing, right? Because that the idea of create your own server, like do it yourself, that's the thing that you were thinking about. I don't know, handmade bottles or ceramics or other type of arts, but doing servers, well, that's another level, right? So
Absolutely.
thank you for joining us yesterday.
That is an amazing question, Mr. Clues Op. So, unfortunately, the streams aren't available on Twitch, but they are available on YouTube. So long as you can go and see your first LHD, because it was earlier called Local Hack Days, stream two, well, the stream that ran just before us with Dimmer.
And some great
Oh, thank you,
responses for,
Ashish.
or yeah,
Oh, there we go. Thank you, Ashish.
yes. So well, let's continue.
Well, that's it because the last stream that ran was just before us and we couldn't get a screenshot of it in time for this, but you all were there. So I know you all loved it, and you all can tell us about it in the comments how it was.
Yeah, I know some of you were in that stream too.
Alright, cool. So until you all tell us about your experience, you can find today's schedule over and over again on the link displayed in front of you. And a lot of times some things get changed because coaches are unavailable, or like I have end up having power cuts. So every time the schedule changes, it gets updated here for sure. So you all can keep this. And there's a really cool calendar link that Mary has created for you all. So you can add it to your calendar and it gives you a reminder every time a stream is about to start. I'm missing it too, Ashish. All right, Alberto, this is, I think, for you.
Yeah, just after ending this stream, we're going to get deep inside the amazing world of GraphQL, a new way to consume APIs. So I think this is a very exciting stream. I've been preparing it and I've given it too much love to you to share. Well, that's it. If you haven't heard of GraphQL before, I just can't spoil that is that a new way to consume APIs. You've been used to REST, that it's great. I am not going to lie, but well, if you like REST, GraphQL, it's just another level of that. So please join me 1 p.m. ET time, 10:30 p.m. IST time, and let's explore how to build a very modern uh, GraphQL server.
I think I definitely will crash your stream, Alberto. I have been meaning to get my hands dirty with GraphQL for quite some time.
Yeah, it can be threatening to be sure.
Awesome. Well, next we have New Fall with the Tetris mini event. A nice time for you all to take a break. And I know you all love the Tetris mini event, and New Fall is great at hosting it. So join New Fall at 3 p.m. ET or 12:30 a.m. IST. I think right after Alberto ends his stream.
Yeah, sure.
All right.
Then we have our very new friend Ryan who building your first API part one. So this will be a series of streams teaching you on how to build your first API. First, join our new member Ryan to this stream 7 p.m. ET time, 4:30 IST time to create your first API from scratch.
Awesome. I think Ryan is one of our newer coaches and he's so enthusiastic, and they have some pretty good jokes lined up for you because now we have three Ryans in the coaches program. So it should be fun for you all to join.
I see a funny comment here about it's Ryan the second or Ryan the third. To be honest, I cannot remember if it's the second or the third. Do you have that information you read there?
Yeah, I think you can ask Ryan at his stream.
Okay, we can ask Ryan about how the numbers work here. But then it is me again. Later today, 1 a.m. ET time, 10:30 IST, I'll be running this build an API with just Node.js. This will be very exciting because we are going to do a little bit of what Ryan did before, but just in a single stream. If will not be a series of streams, will be just fast, create, and let's know how to improve your API, just not with Node but with Express, and that's it.
Sounds awesome. Well, next, I am back with a quick API, LLM based API. So it's a very simple API we're going to be using, and we're going to use LLMs and convert different data to different data, formats of data. It's going to be a lot of fun. And if I actually, there might be the CEO of Graphlet himself that might end up joining us. So let's keep our fingers crossed and make sure that he's available. So that should be fun, folks. And join me at 4 a.m. ET, which should be pretty late for you, Emily. But the other folks in India can join me at 1:30 p.m. IST.
Yeah, that will be too late for me, but I will definitely rewatch the stream. So then our friend Ryan again showing a mini game called Slideshow Karaoke, which I enjoyed a lot, and that will be a great break from all the hacking that we'll be doing today, right?
I love karaoke mini events. I think I might crash this one too. I love crashing other emulators stream. It's so much fun.
Yeah, exactly.
And then your favorite streamer Dimmer is back for making real time applications with Firestore Part One. Wow, this seems supposed to be a very interesting series. Join Dimmer at 10 a.m. ET or 7:30 p.m. IST.
And then to wrap up the day, it will be Ryan and me doing the Today in Global Hack Week, but for day 5. So, as you may see, there's a lot of Rizby and I in today's Global Hack Week, and I am excited about that.
Sounds fun. I think I'll join you in the chat tomorrow, Alberto, and cheer you on.
So
All
let's
right,
start
folks.
our Q&A, right? So please let us know if you have any question regarding this amazing Global Hack Week, so we can help you and maybe we can chat a little bit more. Yes, at the end of the day, it's the beginning of fun. Oh,
That is true. I agree. It's 10 p.m. for me too. So.
wow, it's 10 a.m. for me. So big
Oh,
time gap.
we have exact. Oh, you're in PST.
I think I do. I for example, for me right now it's 10:25 a.m.
Oh wow, yeah. So I think you are 12 and a half hours behind. 11 and a half hours behind. So not bad. That's I think PT.
Yeah, yeah, big time difference.
Oh, that's
12:24
nice.
p.m.
So I think Emily, you're in EST. It's nice. We can next time we can just ask everyone's time zones instead of cities.
What else we
It,
have here on comments? Yeah, that's a big difference.
I mean, Alberto, the more I do today in GHW, I realize the hackers here are pros. I mean, they don't need us for anything really. They're helping us out in streams most of the time. So yeah, I don't expect any questions, but if there are any, I'd really be happy to answer them.
I see. This is not a question. Oh, sorry.
Oh,
This
I'm
is not a
sorry. I'm sorry.
question, but that's an interesting fact. MLH mixing cartoon world with real world. Maybe that's because Ryan cartoon isn't ready yet. This is not a thing we usually do, but um, well, this is a special case. So take a screenshot of this memory.
That is an amazing idea for a stream, Emily. And since anyway next month is data week, we can do something with it. That should be fun. We can just get people to real time get their data on, I don't know, maybe GitHub or someplace, and we can make a quick visualization. I know one of the coaches, I don't remember who, made a coaches visualization platform where we've all entered our country so you can see which coach is. Let me see if I can pull that website up for you all really quickly. That's a very cool thing. I think Ayush made it. Coach Map. It's called the Coach Map. Have you seen that, Alberto?
I tried. I think it was kind of broken sometime, but I will definitely will like to try to make it like an update, right? To have it actualized with all the coaches in the world.
Exactly. Let me see if I can quickly share it for you all. And this is the kind
I,
we can
I
create.
think it wasn't a Jewish initiative.
Yeah, Ayush, right? Yeah. Unfortunately,
Yeah.
Ayush is
Like
now
world's
grounded.
older within the world are the MLH coaches. Yeah, something like that. I mean, that there are markers that points you to coaches.
See, there's so many coaches here in India. A bunch of them. I think you should be here in Mexico. Is that you,
Maybe
Alberto?
I
No,
am.
that's Sebastian. Ah, that's Sebastian. I think, Alberto, you need to go log in and add your pin quickly.
Yeah, maybe I need to update that. But Sebastian isn't the coach. I think it's a pod leader. So this then reflects all the emulators in the world.
Oh, is that so?
I think because Sebastian is a pod leader.
I think he's also a coach though, because you see all of these people, they're all coaches in India. I'm pretty
Yeah.
because India there are a lot of fellows. This map would be very
Okay.
crowded otherwise.
No, but then if you scroll back to Chile in Latin America, in South America, That should be Hugo, and Lugo it's a pop leader too. Yeah,
That makes
Hugo.
sense. That actually makes sense. I think it was shared on multiple Emily channels then.
Maybe, yeah, maybe it's for all the knowledgeers, but yeah, I might add my pin to that.
Yes. And
Am I the
then
only in Germany? No, I think we have a lot of hackers in Germany.
we do have a bunch of hackers. Actually, one of our coaches lives in Berlin. Actually, two of our coaches live in Berlin. I
Yeah,
don't know if you're Harshal and Manya. Both of them are in Berlin, so y'all can probably do a coaches meetup with them at some point.
it need to be updated. Yeah, it needs to be updated.
Oh yeah, it needs to be updated a lot. So we're supposed to log in and add our own pin here, and even I did it fairly recently when I saw the pin mark, the bookmark with the link. But yeah. All right, folks. I think there aren't any questions about GHW itself, so we can close the stream. But
Yes.
it was lovely hanging out with each one of you all as usual.
And
And
I will be preparing my stream. So join me in half hour to start this GraphQL stream, right? So um, have some breakfast if you haven't, or dinner if it's your case. Grab a couple of snacks, water, whatever you want, and join me half hour.
sounds great. Yeah, I think I might be joining you all for the stream too. So I'll have my dinner and join you in a bit, Albert.
Amazing. So thank you so much, and see you.
Bye, folks. Have a great day. Have a great fourth day.
Have a good day.